Hello everyone. Hope you all are excellent. And yes, this is Nilesha, a corporate trainer. Today we are coming up with a very good video that is XLOOKUP. What is XLOOKUP? Very simple. It's a latest lookup from the version 2019 and 21 that if you want to find the data from the left hand side or for the right hand side from anywhere, then XLOOKUP will be there for you. If you understand XLOOKUP in a very good flow, then believe me, from today onwards, you even don't use VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP. It's very easy. So let's try to understand XLOOKUP. Here, the XLOOKUP for you. So guys, this is what my screen is. Hope you can see the screen. Now, when I'm talking about XLOOKUP or lookups, lookup covers major 3 points. Number 1, VLOOKUP. Number 2, HLOOKUP, and the latest one, that is XLOOKUP. Now, why XLOOKUP? The easiest way to understand XLOOKUP is this, that for example, I have name with me. So if I'm talking about the data, I have name with me, and based on name, I would like to find the answer for bill number. I repeat my words. Based on name, I would like to find the data for bill number. And if you are aware of the VLOOKUPs, then it is difficult for you to find the outcome for the left-hand side of the data. So we always do the jugards. We select the range, we cut the range, we click here, paste the range, and now we'll use the VLOOKUPs. Correct? Yes or no? Yes, exactly. So don't do this, guys. And that was the reason. This is known as the reverse lookup or XLOOKUP. So it is very easy. Let's try to find the same one. So once again, I have name with me, and I have bill number with me. I have certain name with me. That's, for example, Hiren and Kunal and Aman and Ronak, only Nilay, that's my name, and then Chirag. So these are the name of employees. Based on name, would like to file bill number 1, and based on name would like to find the size also, that is number 2. So I mentioned the heading of a size here also. And now we would like to understand a major function. That function is known as the XLOOKUP. XLOOKUP is a lookup from a newer one version, that is Office 2021 and Office 365. If you want to check कि आपके सिस्टम में XLOOKUP है या नहीं, so आप क्या कर सकते हैं, equal to XLOOKUP करेंगे. And if you observe, you have the function here with you, it means in your system you have XLOOKUP with you. Okay, otherwise you are not able to do that. Okay, so it's very simple. That is equal to XLOOKUP, then bracket. Now, very first important point, that is lookup value. What you are looking for. Then Nilay, I'm looking for Hiren. So Hiren is my target. That is Hiren is my lookup value. Then comma, this is as usual as VLOOKUP. Now there is a little change from here. When we are talking about VLOOKUP, after targeting Hiren, we are selecting the home range. Yes or no? Yes. But here you have a little change. Here you can understand the option, not a table array. It's a lookup array. So if you are searching Hiren, यदि आप Hiren को ढूंढ रहे हैं, then you need to select the column of Hiren only, not the whole table. Remember my words, not the whole table. You need to select the target where Hiren is. So Hiren will be here in your name column. That is lookup array. And this is the only difference when we are talking about VLOOKUP to XLOOKUP. So we have given the target. As usual, you can use F4 or function F4 to freeze your data. Then comma. Now very easy. No need to understand column number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 when we are talking about VLOOKUP. In XLOOKUP, it's like return array. यानी आपको आंसर क्या चाहिए? I need to see the answer of bill number. So bill number is your return array. Once again, select the range F4 or function F4 depending on your keyboard. So now based on name, we would like to find the answer, that is return array, that is bill number. Then comma. One more question will be there, if not found. यानी यदि name नहीं मिल रहा है, then answer क्या आना चाहिए? I don't like NA. Then what you can do is put double inverted comma. For example, no name. This is just a text. Whatever text you want, for example, no data, no name, no bill number, no amount, no criteria, depends on you. Then comma, 0 as usual. 0 stands for exact match. And then close the bracket and press enter, and you got your answer. If you drag the range, you can have the answer. And very important, as Nilay is there, someone feels that, sir, you have Nilay Bisha, you have Nilay Jisha, you have Nilay Sisha, perfect. But I don't have Nilay here only. And that's the reason we have mentioned 0. 0 stands for exact match. If I'm writing Nilay, it finds Nilay only. No Nilay Bisha, no Nilay Sisha, no Nilay Jisha. Once again, one more time. This is the data what we have find from name to bill number, that is at the left hand side. Now I would like to find the data to the right hand side. Come on. I would like to find the data to the right hand side. Generally हम VLOOKUP करते हैं. In VLOOKUP, we have to select the full database, then column index number 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 10 or 15. Forget about this. Now equal to XLOOKUP, bracket, target, comma, as usual. Lookup array, target is your lookup array, freeze it, comma. Then return array. Now I need the answer as size. I'm selecting the size, comma. For example, no name. Once again, a text box, then comma, then 0, then bracket finish, and enter. And if you drag, you can see the answer. Now, instead of Nilay, now I have mentioned Nilay B. Shah. That's the full name of mine. Then you can see the answer over here. So once again, it's very, very simple. Number 1, it's your lookup value. It means your target. Number 2, lookup array. आप जिसको target कर रहे हो वो पूरा का पूरा column. Number 3, return array. It means आपको जो answer चाहिए वो वाला. Number 4, no name, double inverted comma. If you don't want that, okay, you can use directly a 0. So this is considered as an XLOOKUP. For me, this is the lookup like Surya Kumar Yadav, lookup at 360 degree. So if you are very good with this, then forget VLOOKUP, forget HLOOKUP, just select the column, just select the row and find the data according to your purpose. So this is what all about XLOOKUP is. Hope you have understood this. And for me, it is very, very important that you try to do it for your data for the same sheet, number 1, for the different sheet, number 2, and for the different workbook also. So this is the beauty when we are talking about XLOOKUP. Hope you have understood this particular topic, that is XLOOKUP. If you want to learn VLOOKUP, then once again, we have one more video on VLOOKUP. You can be there, learn VLOOKUP first. After learning VLOOKUP, you can learn XLOOKUP. This is very good tool for your day-to-day work for the corporates, and it is very, very important for you and for all of us to update ourselves and make our life easy, because Excel is one thing that is very, very important in our day-to-day life. To keep learning, keep updating and upgrading yourself, and whenever you feel that, sir, we would like to learn any topic from you, because I'm in this field from last 18 years, trained more than 20,000 participants pan India for different corporates. So whenever you feel that, sir, we would like to understand anything in Excel or Power BI from me, then ping me. I'm there and I'm trying to share the video for you. So thank you so very much, guys. Keep learning, keep motivating, and take a very good care of yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.